Hello, and welcome to MGS Machine, and thank you for joining us here at Pack Expo Connects. My name is AJ Lee, and I'm the Product Portfolio Manager for MGS, and we're going to talk about a few different solutions here today, but I'm going to introduce Alex to discuss more.
Hi, my name is Alex Vignorovich, Principal Applications Engineer at MGS. Today we'll be showing you our flexible case packing and palletizing solutions, including key features that set our machines apart and enable them to serve numerous industries. AJ, would you like to kick it off?
Sure thing. I'm going to get started with a brief introduction of MGS, and let me just share my screen. Over the nearly 40 years MGS has been in business, we've really taken a really strong effort to focus on case packing and palletizing and really make sure that we're bringing great technologies to the industry that meets just about any application. We're a global leader in the design and manufacture of state-of-the-art packaging, a relatively small company, but company that's really focuses on key businesses and key business solutions, whether that's in a highly regulated industry such as pharmaceutical, life sciences, or to the many different packages and applications within consumer goods and food and other areas that we work with. We also work hard to build our integration systems so that when we sell a cartoner, we know the palletizing process that's going to follow it and hopefully be able to provide that solution as well. We're also part of Coesa, and Coesa is a global network of some of the top brands in all of packaging, which really allows us to leverage some of the prime products, prime product packaging from other manufacturers such as ACMA or R.A. Jones, and provide a complete solution with the best secondary packaging and palletizing thereafter. A lot of our proven case packing solutions really come down to one of the things we focus on being a small footprint with a lot of technology to really deliver. We look at things like quick change tooling and advanced control systems to make sure that we provide the greatest OEE at the best speeds that your business needs. And really, this has worked out well for some of the biggest brands in all of the industries, whether that's 3M or Merck or Johnson & Johnson. When we really dial back through our product library that we've worked with, it's everything from coffee capsules to ammunition to kitting medical device systems, and all requiring different levels of product tracing and product handling and pack dimensions. And it's really allowed us to really develop our skills to deliver an accurate and fast process for any palletizing and case packing system. And now I'll hand it over to Alex. Ready?
Thank you, AJ. Let's talk about the case packing, palletizing, and system support we offer. Our case packing solution has small footprint. We provide quick and repeatable no-tool changeovers, positive case handling, and also open access to machine to perform everyday tasks and also periodic maintenance. We can provide in-feed solutions for a variety of products. The incoming products can be arranged into different pack patterns. We do utilize server technology to enable that. The changeovers are recipe-driven, and they take very little time. You can see the cases are controlled from the opening through closing and discharge. And we can also provide some optional features, and they would include printing, labeling, check weighing, etc. We have a rather unique case setup system, and it starts with the ergonomically designed magazine. Cases are loaded in stacks horizontally, which makes it convenient for the operators. We use a very positive case opening system, and that ensures the reliability of the case direction. We'll also use top and bottom synchronized servo shuttles to ensure the squareness of cases throughout the loading and closing sequences. The case packers are highly flexible. All major components are servo-driven. The changeovers are easy and repeatable, recipe-driven. When required, we use product-dedicated tooling to ensure the quality of the first case out. There are no tools involved. Most changeovers can be performed in just minutes. We offer both glue and tape case closures. Let's take a look at our palletizing solutions. We can provide standalone palletizers as well as palletizers integrated with MGS case pack. We do integrate robots in our palletizers to ensure quality, flexibility, ease of changeover, and improve productivity. The palletizer integrated with our case packer includes a 6-axis robot with up to 50 kilograms capacity, over 2 meters horizontal reach, and the rates up to 25 cases per minute. If a collaborative solution is required, we work with FlexLink, our sister company, to integrate a collaborative palletizer. It provides a working environment enabling it to safely interact with factory personnel. We do provide safety risk assessments and perform them on every unit we ship. It's very easy and intuitive to change the pallet patterns. We do it by using tablets, and every operator can easily learn how to do so. Let's talk about our integrated systems. With integrated systems, we can provide serialization and several levels of aggregation. And we have worked with all industry-leading serialization system providers to deliver turnkey integrated solutions to our customers. Serialization starts with a unit of sales, and it's often a carton. Our cartons integrate printing and print inspection while the cartons are perfectly controlled. It ensures high quality of print and very few failures. We can also offer bundling solutions and bundle aggregation. If bundles are loaded into cases, the bundle aggregation can be virtual without the necessity to print and apply a label. It simplifies the case aggregation as only one serialization code within the previously aggregated bundle needs to be verified. We also provide a great validation assistant documentation package, and it's second to none in the industry. It can greatly reduce the time spent on validation and help you to start producing products as soon as possible. And of course, we pay great attention to overall equipment effectiveness. To increase your OEE, we provide central controls in integrated systems. HMIs, push buttons, and control schemes look the same. We strategically position marquee displays to enable the operators to immediately recognize the problem areas and the supervisors to have instant feedback on system performance. We offer a LumiGuard system to provide visual guidance to areas of faults. We also offer one-touch troubleshooting to lead the personnel to a diagnostic page with just a touch of a button. And of course, after installation, we offer remote monitoring, diagnostic, and support. It can be especially important now when the travel might be limited, and you will always be supported by MGS. Thank you very much for your time. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.